Nima uchun ba'zi amerikanistlar migrantlarni haydamoqchi? Birodarlar, bu videoni ko'rishlaringiz mumkin.
He's door dashing and taking food from the people. Oh, what a sick fool! He's putting his shoes on there. Oh, wow, 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 wow! I got you on camera, bro. You're sick, bro. You're fucking disgusting. Why you gonna put your shoes? You're disgusting, bro. You're nasty, bro. This guy's putting shoes on the people's food. You're disgusting, bro. You're fucking sick. You're fucking disgusting, bro. I got you on camera, bro.
It's mine.
Huh?
It's mine.
It's yours?
Mine.
Okay, bro, it's yours. Sick fuck.
Aslida bunaqa videolarga dastavka sohasida ishlab yurgan paytim juda ko'p to'qnashardim. Va ming afsus, lekin bu erkakning yuzidan aynan O'rta Osiyo davlatlariga mansub insonligi yaqqol ko'rinib turibdi. Aynan bu video esa rovna bir kun oldin qo'yilgan. Amerikanistni o'zini tomonidan va u yoqdagi kommentariyalarni ko'rishlaringiz mumkin. Har bitta profilga bitta kirib ko'rdim va u yoqda katta blogerlar hammasi kommentariy qoldirgan. Ya'ni buni juda ko'p inson ko'rgan. Buni like'lari, kommentariyalarni sonni ko'rishingiz mumkin. Va ming afsus, lekin buni jabrini aynan biz ham ko'rishimiz mumkin.